welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super exciting because I'm doing a big Daraz shopping haul. I have multiple parcels to open and can't wait to share my amazing finds with you people. So let's get started. Okay, let's open the first parcel. I have no idea which item this is, but I'm really excited. Oh wow, it's my most favorite eyeshadow palette. It's from Dawn Gazing. I was waiting for this one for so long. I'm so excited to share my review of Dawn Gazing eyeshadow palette. From the moment I laid eyes on the packaging, I knew I was in for something special, and the palette comes in a beautiful crafted box, giving it a luxurious feel. It's sleek, elegant, and the perfect reflection of the stunning shades inside. Just look at these gorgeous shades. The pigmentation looks amazing, and I can already tell it's going to be perfect for all kinds of makeup looks. And guess what? I got this beauty for around 5,000 Pakistani rupees. Totally worth it. Time for the next parcel. Yeah, this one has some hair accessories. I completely forgot I ordered these. The first thing inside is a pack of these styling tools that help in making twists and buns. I'm not sure what they are called, but I use them for making twists and buns. But they are super useful for quick and elegant hairstyles. The quality also feels nice. Now let's check this one. It's a set of black hairpins. These are so essential for making buns, securing hairstyles, and just keeping everything in place. I love how strong and durable they feel. Definitely a great addition to my collection. Alright, let's move on to the next parcel. I honestly don't remember what's inside this one, so let's find out together. Oh wait, wait a second. What is this? Oh my god, it's just a head with hair. For a second I thought someone sent me a mannequin to scare me, but no. It's actually my hair dummy for learning and practicing hairstyles. And also guys, there is a sticker right on her face. I'm really excited to try different hairstyles on it, and I totally forgot I ordered this, but I'm so happy I did. The hair feels super silky and the quality is just amazing. I love making hairstyles, so this is going to be really fun to use. Plus it even comes with a stain. I think I can attach it to a towel to make styling easier. That's so cool. And guess what? I got this beauty for around 5,500 Pakistani rupees. Totally worth it. Stay tuned because I might even make a video showing some fun hairstyles with it. Okay, moving on to the next parcel. First of all, let me just say the packing is amazing. It's wrapped so nicely and everything looks super secure. I love it when things arrive in perfect condition. Oh wow, it's my beautiful double wall water bottle. I absolutely love it. The design is so pretty and the quality feels really good. The best part, do you know, it has a special gel inside the two walls. When you freeze it, the gel gets super cold and keeps the water chilled for a long time. That's just perfect for hot days. No need to add ice cubes again and again. And there is something even cooler. There is a small opening in the cap where I can insert a straw. It makes drinking water so easy and fun. Honestly, this bottle is such a game changer. It's stylish, useful, and super cool. Literally, I'm so happy with this purchase. Alright, time for the next parcel. Let's open it and see what's inside. It's my dark blue handbag. I was really excited about this one and it looks even better than I expected. The color is absolutely stunning, just a deep, rich blue. I love how elegant it looks, the quality feels really good and the material is soft yet durable. What I love the most is its long strap. I personally prefer longer straps because they are more comfortable to carry, and this one is just perfect. This bag is going to be my go-to for everyday use. It's stylish, spacious, and exactly what I wanted. Super happy. Now the next parcel. Yeah, this one is a two-piece suit. I had ordered it for my sister. She really liked it when we saw it in the pictures, but now that I have it in my hands, let's see if it's the same. First, let's check the trouser. Okay, so the embroidery on it looks fine, not too impressive but decent. The fabric, however, feels really light, much lighter than I expected. And oh my god, the size, it's too large. I don't think this will fit properly. Now moving on to the shirt. I think the length is shorter than it should be. The embroidery is not as good as it looked in the picture, and just like the trouser, the fabric is very light. It might look okay when worn, but honestly it's not exactly what I expected. So overall, I'm not very satisfied with this purchase. The pictures were definitely different from the actual product. I guess this happens sometimes when shopping online. Alright, let's open the next parcel. Oh wow, this one has multiple small packets inside. Let's see what's in them one by one. The first packet has some hairstyle making tools. Yeah, I needed these for such a long time, and yes, there is also a lightweight comb, perfect for styling. These are exactly what I wanted, and I'm really happy that they turned out to be even better than expected. Moving on to the second packet. Wow, these accessories are so pretty. Originally ordered them in maroon red, but this color is also very beautiful. The quality looks nice and I love how elegant they appear. Let me check a few more items inside. Oh, these are gorgeous. Let me check them out. These clips look amazing. So cute. Definitely a great purchase. Next we have something interesting, a small handmade hand purse. This is adorable. It's embroidery. It is embroidered with woolen threads look, and the detailing is just so pretty. I love handmade things and this is super easy to carry around. And finally, the last item in this parcel is a hairband. This is beautiful. It's off-white with lovely flower details and perfect for styling hair. Just love it. This entire parcel is full of useful and pretty things. Parcel. What could be inside? Yeah. There must be something good. Look at this teeny doll. This is adorable. But wait. Oh no, she doesn't want to show her face to you all. There is a sticker on her face. Looks like she's a bit shy. This little doll is actually a keychain, which makes it super useful. I can hang it on my purse zipper, my bag, or even use it as a regular keychain. And the best part, her dress color is my favorite. Such a pretty shade. I absolutely love it. And let me tell you, I got this cutie for around 400 to 500 rupees with DC. For this price, I am totally satisfied. The tool is lovely, the quality is nice, and the sender is also honest. So overall, this parcel is a hit. That's all for today. I have opened all my parcels and shared my honest reviews with you. I hope you enjoyed unboxing them with me. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.